so what's up YouTube? I've been tuning on my GSXR1000R, trying to get the idle smooth, get rid of the surge. Anyone that has a full exhaust on their GSXR1000 knows this bike doesn't want to idle or it'll surge. So if you can just listen, you can hear it idling now. I've been working on it. I'm actually very happy with the results. I mean, I didn't think it would go this quick. I've lived with it for 2 years and I thought, well, in the last couple of days I'm gonna try and fix it. So I have it running in there now. You can probably hear it in the background. I'm gonna go in, flip the throttle a few times. I'm gonna show you the engine data screen where you can see it's up to temperature. It is still surging a little bit, but it is nothing like it used to. So let's go inside. I'm just gonna blip the throttle a couple times and show you how smooth the idle is. Not perfect, but it's much better than it's been. Alright, I'm sorry you ain't gonna be able to hear me, I know, because of the engine. First gear. Clutch in. Pretty happy with it. I mean, compared to what it used to be like. Alright. So, there it is running with the engine data. Show you auto tune live. And my ignition map. Alright, so you can see that it's actually, look at it. I mean, if you have one of these with a full exhaust, you know this, I mean, this is like excellent. Alright, going back outside. Alright, so anyway, like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm also working on engine braking, and I'm working on the shift settings for the quick shifter with the voltages. Mainly I'm happy 1 through 5, and I'm working on 5th to 6th shift. It sometimes is a little delayed. I'm trying to figure out that. So anyway, if you want to see more about tuning your GSXR 1000R and what I'm doing to make it better, or how I'm addressing some of these things, like, subscribe, and come back for more.